ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ KCET ಆರ್ PGCETs ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಟೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ given Sij and Aij are the symmetric and antisymmetric real value tensors respectively in 6 dimension. So the number of independent components Sij and Aij are. Sij is an symmetric and Aij is an antisymmetric tensor. So general formula for the number of independent components in the symmetric tensor is formula is equals to n square minus n divided by 2 plus n is the symmetric tensor number of independent components. Here 6 dimension will be given in, that's why n is equals to 6. Substituting 6 square minus 6 by 2, 36 minus 6 means 30 by 2 plus 6, 30 by 2 plus 6 will become 21. Next, antisymmetric tensor number of independent components formula is n square minus n by 2. So here 6 square minus 6 by 2 which is equals to 15 is the number of independent components present in the antisymmetric tensor. So in generally asking total number of independent components means n square. So dimension square, that is the total number of independent components is present in the tensor, given tensor. Next question, Cranach or delta ij which is equals to 1 if I becomes equals to j and 0 that I not equal to j in 3-dimensional Cartesian coordinates system. It's like a tensor of rank 2 matrix. This one is a tensor of rank 2 or mixed tensor. It is a type of mixed tensor. One contravariant, one covariant, both are present in the tensor. We have to known as a mixed tensor. And another information for dimension power rank is equals to total number of components present in the tensor. This is the formula remembering. Next, so next question is, numerical method is used for finding the root of a function or square root of a function. It's an best method for using that is Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method, it can be used for finding the square root of the given function. So next to 3 cross 3 matrix corresponds to the spatial coordinates is x is tends to minus x and y tends to minus y, z tends to minus z. It comes under the group of orthogonality of the 3 cross 3 matrix. Orthogonality means orthogonality into tilde of O. If O is the orthogonality matrix, O into O tilde which becomes equals to I or identity matrix, that is called as an orthogonality. Next, number of independent real parameters characterizing the group of special unitary of the 2 cross 2 matrix is, that is 3. Special unitary matrix of the 2 cross 2, it is in the general form is A, B, minus B star and A star. Here A star is a real values and B star will get in the imaginary. So here asking the real parameters, that's like in 3 real parameters will be obtained in the special unitary of the 2 cross 2 matrix. Next question is, coordinate Q on the corresponding canonical transformation momentum P, it undergoes a linear transformation. given functions is q is equals to alpha q plus beta p and p is equals to gamma q plus delta p, is transformation is canonical. This question is many time I will be asking. This question is canonical transformation is only the outer product minus inner products. Coefficient of outer products means alpha delta minus beta gamma. Alpha delta beta gamma minus beta gamma, which becomes equals to 1. This is the answer for this question. Next one, two vectors will be given. A is equals to 5t square into I cap plus t into j cap plus t cube into k cap. Next vector b is equals to sin t into I cap minus cos t into j cap plus 6k cap. To find the d by dt of a dot b. So first we have to writing the given vector a and vector b. Dot product of these two vector is I coefficient multiplication, j coefficient multiplication and k coefficient multiplication. That is ax into bx plus ay into by plus az into bz. So the given problem will becomes a dot b is 5t square into sin t I coefficient plus j means plus into minus t into cos t plus k coefficient t cube into 6. Next d by dt of a dot b. So differentiate with respect to t at one time will becomes, this is in product rule, first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function minus, this is also product rule will be applied, t into cos theta is differentiation minus sin theta minus of cos theta, t differentiation means 1. So 6t cube differentiation is 6 into 3 into t square will become. So 6 into 3 means 18t square. Directly I will write. So 5t square cos theta plus 5 into 2 means 10 sin t plus t minus into minus plus will become t sin t minus cos t plus 18t square. Here cos t will be common. So 5t square minus 1 into cos t plus 10 plus 1 11 t sin t and 18t square. This is the answer for the following question. Next question is eigenvalues of the given matrix. A is equals to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So eigenvalues becomes a minus lambda I, which is equals to 0. We have to find out in the lambda values. So a minus lambda I, substituting this equation we get the determinant of cos theta minus lambda minus sin theta cos theta minus lambda. So determinant will be product cos theta minus lambda whole square plus minus into minus plus we get sin square theta, which is equals to 0. This one is a minus b whole square formula, cos square theta plus lambda square minus 2 lambda cos theta plus sin square theta is equals to 0. So cos square theta plus sin square theta will becomes 1. So remaining lambda square minus 2 lambda cos theta will be there. This is second order equation. The solution of this equation is equals to lambda is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So solution of this equation will get minus b means minus lambda coefficient is minus into minus plus 2 cos theta plus or minus I into square root of b square means minus 2 cos theta whole square, that is 4 cos square theta minus 4ac. 4 into a means 1 and c means 1. 4 square root of whole divided by 2 into a means 2 into 1. Next, cos theta, 2 by 2 cos theta separately dividing 2, we getting cos theta plus or minus 4. 4 will be taking outside of the root, will get 2i. So 2 get cancelled, square root of cos square theta minus 1. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta, we get the sin square theta, that is cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus or minus I sin theta we getting. So lambda is equals to e power I theta. E power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. E power minus I theta means cos theta minus sin theta. So lambda becomes equals to, lambda is e power plus I theta and e power minus I theta. This is the eigenvalues for the given matrix. So next question is the independent solution of the following equation, that is d square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y, which is equals to 0. This can be term, it has an m square, minus dy by dx is m, so m square minus 3m plus 2, which is equals to 0. This can separating m square, 3m we can write in 2m into 2 ones are 2, splitting this one, 2m minus m plus 2. So m will be common first two terms and minus 1 will be common second two terms. We getting m minus 1 into m minus 2, which is equals to 0. M becomes 1 comma 2. So the general solution of this independent equation is y is equals to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power 2x, that is e power x and e power 2x is the answer. Next question is Laplace transformation of the cos ax will be asking. Cos function is s divided by s square plus a square is direct formulas. Next videos I will putting the formulas for the Laplacian equation. So next question, which of the following is a not analytic? Analytic means ux is equals to vy, u and uy is equals to minus vx. So real terms of the z means only x, so only x term will be remaining. So this not be a function of an analytic. Z inverse and sin z, e power sin z, they are all analytic. This condition will be holds good. Next question is Lagrangian for the compound pendulum. Lagrangian, it is the kinetic energy minus potential energy. So compound pendulum will getting the direct formula, we have to remembering this one. L is equals to of I theta dot square plus mgl cos theta. So next, Hamiltonian canonical form of the equation. Hamiltonian is equal to summation of p qk dot minus pk minus l, which is equals to minus l. It is the Hamiltonian equation. So Hamiltonian function canonical equations is q dot is equals to dou h by dou pi, pi dot is equals to minus dou h by dou qi. They are interchanging position and momentum. Please remembering this equation. Next question is rest mass of the electron is m naught when it moves with a velocity 0.6 times of the velocity of light, then its mass becomes. So m is equals to the what? Rest mass of the electron, that is m naught divided by root of 1 minus v square by c square, which becomes equals to m naught divided by v is what? 0.6 times of the velocity of light. Substituting this equation, we getting the m is equals to m naught divided by 0.8 will be getting 0.8. So 1 divided by 0.8 can be written as in 5 by 4 times of m naught. This is the answer. Next question is Laplacian for a sine hyperbolic kt. Sine function will k, numerator k divided by s square minus k square. In case of a sine kt, k divided by s square plus k square will be obtaining. These are the formulas just remaining. L into L Laplacian of the cos hyperbolic kt is s square s divided by s square plus k square. Cos kt is cos hyperbolic kt is the s divided by s square minus k square. Laplacian of cos kt is the s divided by s square plus k square. Next equation, Taylor series of the expansion sin x, only sin x will be asking. I will also writing the another equations also. Please remembering this equation. Sin x sin x expansion for the Taylor series is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial minus x to the power of 7 by 7 factorial plus etc. So in case of cos x is equals to 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial etc. In case of sin hyperbolic x series is Taylor series, both are plus. So here minus 0 kuda. So sin hyperbolic x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 divided by 5 factorial etc. So cos hyperbolic x is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial etc. So next question is vector A is equals to 6i minus 9j